The Subversive Sirens is all about Black liberation, queer visibility, equity in aquatics, and radical body acceptance. So we are a synchronized swimming team based here in Minnesota, and we do this work to not only heal ourselves, but to find opportunities to heal in and with community. We came to St. Thomas today as a part of a special event for the Women's Center, where we invited people to join us in the water, swim, hear a little bit about our story, and we also swam our silver medal winning routine from London.
People, I think, immediately are able to connect with the joy that we have swimming with each other. To see all of us, different abilities, different bodies, different life experiences, but to see us all come together and that you can try something new and you don't have to be the best at it, but just to be able to get joy from doing it.
You know, one of the things about synchro is I certainly do it for my own practice, my own healing, my own joy, my own liberation, my own fun, but it's infectious. So when we have the opportunity to share it with other people, when people get to witness it, either getting in the water with us or to watch one of our routines, I hope that it gives them a spark of joy, and it gives them a reminder that they can find their joy in whatever space that is for them.